Guruvayappan. I am been a student of Vijay Coimbatore from class 6. Currently I am studying in class 12 and I have secured KVPY AR1 this year. I feel really happy and super proud to have achieved this wonderful rank in KVPY. I really wish to thank all of you for helping me achieve this dream. Thanks a lot. Fiji has really helped me a lot during this journey of mine. The packages that they provide are very rich in theory and also have a wide variety of problems that cover all the applications of that theory. The faculty here are really enthusiastic and always clear my doubts immediately. They also were a huge backbone of support for me in achieving my dream. The mock interviews that were conducted here were really useful and also provided a really good idea of what to expect real time. Try to avoid being tense in the aptitude test and especially the interview. In the interview, the panelists are extremely enthusiastic and totally cool. They never try to make you panic. So the most important thing is to stay calm because this will help reduce unnecessary mistakes and be a helpful boost to your rank. My favorite subject is physics. I really love the way nature works and would love to be able to predict the outcomes of events mathematically. So that's why physics is my favorite. Since the KVPY happens in the month of November, you might actually want to get a bit ahead of your school and try to complete as much of your year's syllabus as possible before. But that'd be really helpful in the aptitude test. I play football for an hour almost every day. This helps me relax my mind and focus better. It is also a really good exercise for my body. I would like to pursue a career in science and help the world become a better place for everybody.